Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Beth McCauley, and I just finished a fabulous 2-day workshop here in Prague, Czech Republic. We had a great time. There were people here from 5 different countries. We had physical therapists, psychologists, equine assisted learning specialists, speech pathologists, therapeutic adapted riding instructors. We had everybody across the equine assisted services spectrum, and everyone learned something. Everyone had positive feedback, and that's what I love about this workshop, is that we're focusing on speech therapy, but we're also talking about how to improve communication and how to make your sessions, regardless of which category of equine assisted services you have, even better. So we missed you this time. We had a beautiful facility here in Prague. The arena was fabulous. Our horses are well cared for. They were selected very well for this workshop. Our clients who came so we could practice and look at what the horse does and how we incorporate speech activities into different sessions were great representations across the different types of children that we work with. And the host and organizers did a beautiful job in making sure that everyone had what they needed to learn. And our attendees, again, were across the spectrum of equine assisted service professionals, and each one, we worked together in a wonderful cooperative relationship and learned from each other, in addition to what we're talking about as a whole. So it was a great experience here in Prague. We missed you and hope to see you on the next one. Thank you all. Bye.